video, I'm going to cover tips and techniques on how to install TimberTech AZEK decking and fascia with TOPLoc. We'll go over the benefits of TOPLoc for decking and fascia, the tools you'll need, and installation best practices. Let's begin with the benefits of TOPLoc for TimberTech AZEK. TOPLoc is the easiest and fastest top-down fastener available. It also limits expansion and contraction of the boards. The screw heads are color-matched to all TimberTech AZEK decking and fascia colors. These stainless steel screws feature a T-tap drive recess to prevent stripping and wobbling. To get started, here's a list of tools you'll need: a drill, a T-tap driver bit, and TOPLoc screws. For both decking and fascia, position the TOPLoc screws within a ½ inch of the board ends and 3/4 of an inch from the sides. For decking, drive the screw until the head is flush with the surface of the deck board. For fascia, apply the same concept. Continue fastening in the pattern described, working in one direction to ensure that the fascia remains flat. With TOPLoc for TimberTech AZEK decking and fascia, your customer's new deck will look beautiful for years to come. For more information on installing TimberTech AZEK decking, you can find our full installation guide online.